Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy like her. I hope you all are doing great. So recently we had a dinner organized at a place for our friends. So it included around 15 to 18 people and we didn't hire any catering services. It was me and my husband who cooked all the food, prepared everything by ourselves. So in this video I'm going to show you how we organized everything and how we managed to make all the food, and it turned out to be a success for us. So let's start. So we started with deciding the menu for the dinner, and in a piece of paper I have written down all the dishes I'm going to prepare and also listed the ingredients that are required for each and every dish, which made it easy for me to decide which ingredient I have to go and bring and which one is available at home. So we are preparing cauliflower in white sauce, lemon rice, paneer kolhapuri, shahi tukra for dessert and salad. We also have potato wedges and breads which are store-bought. Next step is I wrote down all the ingredients that I have to go and bring from the shopping center in my favorite app which I use all the time to list my grocery, that's Google Keep. So we started with chopping all the vegetables required, which makes the work much easier. And my husband is chopping cauliflower and potato to make cauliflower in white sauce because it's his department to make cauliflower in white sauce. And I'm on the other side, I'm chopping ginger, chili for making lemon rice. And also in a separate bowl, I have washed and kept the curry pata and some peanuts and cashews for the rice. My husband is now preparing cauliflower, so he prepares it the same way we make gobi ki sabzi with all the Indian spices. And on the other hand, I have kept my rice to boil for the lemon rice. So meanwhile, when the rice and the gobi ki sabzi is cooking, he's cutting breads for the dessert for shahi tukra, and also he's frying the breads, and then we'll keep the breads in a separate container and keep it aside. He's now brushing the foil tin to empty the sabzi on it. It's prepared now and we'll keep it aside because we need to bake the sabzi again with white sauce on it. So we're gonna do the baking at the end before the dinner is being served. On the other hand, I have soaked cashew and melon seeds in warm water for almost half an hour. I'll make a paste of it and add in my paneer dish. Now I'm preparing lemon rice and I've added all the ingredients including mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, some cashews and peanuts, and then I'm gonna add rice to it. So I made lemon rice in 2 batches and the rice is prepared now. And over here I'm making the sugar syrup with the equal amount of sugar and water to soak the breads for the shahi tukra. Now I'm roasting the ingredients for paneer masala, which includes fennel, cumin, coriander, poppy seeds, bay leaf, red chili, coconut, sesame seeds, etc. I'm gonna leave it for a while to cool down and then I'll grind it. If you want me to make a detailed video on this recipe of paneer kolhapuri, so please let me know in the comments. Now my husband is preparing white sauce for the cauliflower sabzi, and then we'll keep it aside and we'll bake the sabzi with the white sauce later on. Now after the white sauce is cooked, I've kept some sweet corn to boil a little bit for the salad. On the other side, he's cutting cucumber, cherry tomato and carrots for the salad. Now I've started making the paneer dish and I have added the tomato paste with all the spices to cook, and now I'm adding a little bit of curd to it. While the paneer masala is cooking, let's mix the salad. So for salad, I'm adding cucumber, carrot, cherry tomato, lettuce, rockets, corn, and later on I added feta as well. So I forgot to add feta at this point. And then at the end, while serving, I'll also add some salad dressing to it. Now the paneer masala is almost cooked now and I'm adding some capsicum to it, and also I'm adding the cashew and the melon seeds paste that I have prepared. Now it's time to add the favorite ingredient, that's paneer, and the paneer kolhapuri recipe is all done. Now I'm moving forward towards the last thing, that's rabdi for shahi tukra. So I'm boiling some milk and adding condensed milk to it and also saffron. So I'll cook it for some time and then add some nuts and also corn flour to thicken it, and then the rabri is all done. This is the final look of all the things that we have prepared. It doesn't include potato wedges and rabri, as I'm gonna make potato wedges just before the dinner, and I've kept rabri in the fridge to chill. So this is the cauliflower in white sauce. I just have to pour the prepared white sauce on it and bake it before the dinner so that it's still hot while serving. This is the dessert shahi tukra, fried bread soaked in sugar syrup, which would be served with chilled rabri on it. And here is the lemon rice. So I have kept all the prepared food in a foil container so that it's easier for me to reheat the food while serving. This is the paneer kolhapuri, and I have also kept some butter and bread and the salad. So it took us around 3 to 4 hours to prepare all the things, but we enjoyed doing this a lot, and I hope you guys also enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. See ya, bye.